I struggled with this for a long time until I figured out the text function in Google Docs. I want to take the date and I want to put a dash and then I want to put Barbie dolls. I want it to look like this right here. 010626 Barbie dolls. And I just type that in manually. But I don't want to type it in manually for all of them. I want to write a formula to do it. Now, if you write a formula, you say this, ampersand, and this. It converts the date to the number, and that's not what I want. So let me show you how to use the text function to make this work. The text function, text, and it asks you for the function, parts of the function or the number and how you want to format it. So I want to get the text of A1, comma, and how do I want to format it? You need to put it in quotes, month, / day, / year, put it in quotes, put parentheses around that. And you can see it shows me right here, it's going to put in 010626. But I need more. I need ampersand, quote, space, quote, and an ampersand, and I want B2. And then I can hit enter. And you can see before I hit enter, look what it's doing. It's telling me it's going to put in 010626 space, Barbie dolls. I hit enter and it put it in there. Now I can take that and I can copy that down to here. And there is what I'm looking for. I don't want this. I only want this. And furthermore, if I want to make that really work well, I'm going to copy that. And then right over top of it, right click, paste special, values only. And then I don't need this anymore. I can get rid of all that because there's the data I want right there. And I can take this data and I can copy it and I can go put it in my Google Doc, wherever I want to put it on my website, etc., etc. Bottom line, what I've done is I wrote a formula using the text function, and that's text with a number, comma, the format. And the information you want for how to do that, the Google Help document, is right there. I'll make sure it's in the video description link. This is where you want to go to figure out how to do that. It's really pretty cool because not only does it show you the result you get using this text function formula. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.